You've tried. You've bought those beautiful sun-loving succulents, only to watch them stretch, fade, and maybe even vanish in that dark corner of your apartment. It feels like a secret the plant world is keeping from you. Succulents need sun, right? Well, not exactly. What if I told you that some of the most stunning, easy-to-care-for plants actually prefer the shadows? Get ready to uncover the 8 best succulents that thrive in the gloom. Plants that are doing things a little differently, and maybe, just maybe, they're hiding a dark secret about how easy plant parenthood can be. First up is the snake plant. This legendary houseplant with its striking, upright, sword-shaped leaves is practically indestructible and so tolerant of neglect and low light that you can tuck it into the dullest corner of your room, and it would still look glossy, dense, and ready to steal the show. While it loves bright light, its ability to survive and look good in the dark is why it's a top choice for those shadowy spots. Next, meet the Christmas cactus. Unlike most of its desert cousins, this tropical beauty is a rainforest native, meaning it naturally prefers the filtered light of a canopy. Its beautiful segmented stems and occasional vibrant flowers are a true spectacle, making it perfect for brightening up a dark shelf or basement. Just remember, too much direct sun will scorch its lush green foliage, confirming its preference for the cool shade. Our third contender is the classic jade plant, famous for its plump, rounded, coin-like leaves. This succulent is often shaped into miniature trees or bonsais, adding an instant touch of elegance to any setting. While it's known to handle a lot of sun, it also holds up remarkably well when the light only peeks in, making it a charming, low-effort tabletop feature. You might think the ZZ plant is faking it, but this superstar truly prospers in low to bright indirect light and is incredibly forgiving of deep shade. Its waxy, glossy foliage gives it an attractive evergreen look, making it a fantastic addition to dark shelves or racks. Just beware, it's almost impossible to kill unless you make the mistake of overwatering it, especially since the soil in dark spots stays wet for longer. Hanging gracefully into the shade is the Mistletoe Cactus. This is another tropical outlier, featuring delicate, trailing, string-like stems that spill over like a green waterfall when placed in a high basket. It does best in bright, indirect light, but its tolerance for shady conditions makes it an excellent choice for those high shelves or corners where sunlight rarely reaches. Taking on a more mysterious look is Haworthia. These unique rosette-forming succulents are instantly recognizable by their dark green leaves patterned with zebra-like stripes. They are absolutely perfect for shady corners, where most other plants would simply give up and sulk. Though if they get a little light stress, their leaves can take on dramatic red and purple hues. Our seventh plant, Gasteria, is sometimes called the ox-tongue plant because of its thick, fleshy leaves. These leaves are quite striking, often featuring pale green or white spots and stripes that make them a beautiful textural element indoors. They are perfectly suited for indoor cultivation because they thrive specifically in indirect light, making them an attractive addition to a darker bedroom corner shelf. Finally, we have the unique ponytail palm, easily identified by its distinct bulbous trunk that stores water, and its long, thin, cascading leaves that resemble an actual ponytail. While it ideally wants bright, indirect light, its drought-tolerant nature allows it to survive in the corner of a hall or dining room, proving its resilience even when the lighting isn't perfect. So there you have it, 8 succulents that are breaking the rules and thriving in the shadows of your home. They're proof that sometimes the darkest corners hold the most beautiful secrets. Are they simply tougher than we thought, or are they hiding a plant care trick we're just now discovering? Only you can find out. If you're ready to embrace the dark side of plant parenthood, hit the like button to help us spread this essential information, and subscribe so you don't miss our next deep dive into the mysteries of the plant world.